we say goodbye, you won't forget about me, right? Even though I'm out of your...
Hi, this is Raksil and welcome back to another video in my channel. And this video is about DotOS custom ROM review. Let's go to Telegram and see. Here, let me show you guys. Here you will get two variant. One is blur and one is no blur. Both are GApps build. You don't need GApps, okay? So you see the blur build is like this. This is the blur build which I am using right now. You can see the quick setting panel, the background is blur, right? So this is blur build, and no blur build, you will see no blur here in quick setting panel. So that's the difference. Okay, now let's go to settings, about phone, Android 12. This is Android 12.1, or you can say Android 12L, and the kernel is Snaplight Infinity. Security patch is 5th April 2022. DotOS v6.0 unofficial GApps build. Okay, alright, double tap and move the clock to 12 o'clock. You will get to see the Easter egg, right? And press and hold in your home screen, and you will see this type of looks. Just by pressing and holding in your home screen, you can switch to your previous wallpaper just like this, and you can see the wallpaper changing animation. It's beautiful, isn't it? Alright, I like this one. This is the latest curated wallpapers. And on the left side in your home screen, you will see Google Fit, and it's smooth, right? This is 60 Hz display, but you can see there is no lag in this phone, right? This is quite impressive for 60 Hz display. And you get Google Assistant in your bottom. Because I'm using screen recorder with internal and external audio right now, so I can't use this microphone for Google Assistant because I don't have another camera. I don't have camera or extra phone to record this video right now, so I'm just recording this video with internal and external screen recorder. Alright, and let's check out safety net, run the test, and the safety net failed. Okay, let's run again. Safety net CTS profile match is failed. Okay, so but I'm using my Google Pay. It's working perfect without any issue, but still you can use Magic's modules to pass the safety net. And in Play Store you will get to see device is not certified out of the box. Alright, and I have run the Geekbench Score. Let's check it out. This is the Geekbench Score here. Single score 599 and the multi score is 2222. Alright, now let's check out the game clips.
The blue team is in the lead. Enemy down! Reloading! Target down!
Let's see the quick setting panels. Tiles. These are the tiles you get here. You get FPS info, gaming mode, and ambient display, screenshot, AOD, on the go, reboot, CPU info, you get DC dimming, high brightness mode. Alright, let's try this FPS info. You can see on the top left corner, you can see this FPS meter running. Now in gestures, you get a very good gesture here. Quick tap to start action. This is a very useful and handy feature you get here. I have turned on this text screenshot. You just need to tap twice on the back side of your phone. Double tap or tap twice on the back side of your phone and it will take screenshot. You don't need to tap twice on the screen of your smartphone. You just need to tap twice on the back of your phone. That's how this is working. And I don't have camera or extra phone to record this video right now, so I can't show you right now, but this is a good feature. And let's see this one. Open app. I have turned on YouTube. I have selected YouTube here, and if I double tap on the back of my phone, it will open my YouTube. Okay, let's see. Alright, it's working perfect and it's working like a boss without any issues. So this is a very handy gesture you get here, and this is very unique feature you get to see in this DotOS. Unlike Android 11 DotOS, you won't see much customization here. Let me show you what are the customization you get to see in this Android 12 DotOS. Here you need to go to the customization and scroll down. You will see extras here, personalized to your taste. You don't have much customization here, but here you can see you have status bar customization, notification, and quick settings. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you guys enjoy watching this type of content, then please support the channel, subscribe the channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new video in the future. Take care, always keep smiling. Goodbye.
Even when we say goodbye.